How are you guys? Let's start our lesson today. Please open your book, page 644. 644. Our lesson today is talking about, guys, the interactions of light waves. Interactions of light waves. Guys, interactions of waves, guys, can be interaction between wave and another wave, or interaction between wave and a surface. A first type, guys, of interaction now, guys, is called reflection. What the meaning of reflection, guys? The bouncing back of a ray of light, sound, or heat when the ray hits a surface. So, guys, reflection is considered a part of the type of a second type of interaction, wave and surface. For example, guys, in figure 1, guys, here, guys, I have a source of light and a mirror is a surface. Here, guys, the beam of light traveling toward the mirror is called, guys, incident beam. It's called incident beam. Here, guys, the beam of light reflected off the mirror is called reflected beam. Here, guys, I have a line here, guys, is called normal. This normal, guys, on a mirror makes light angle with the mirror. Here, guys, this angle between the normal and incident beam is called incidence angle. Theta 1. Here, guys, this angle is called between the normal and reflected beam is called reflection angle. Theta 2. So, guys, the law of reflection here, guys, is the incidence angle theta 1 equal reflection angle theta 2. When I ask you guys the law of reflection, you should say theta 1 equal theta 2 or the incident angle equal reflection angle. Easy, guys. Here, guys, types of reflection. We have two types, guys, regular and diffuse. Regular reflection, guys, when I have a smooth surface like mirror. So I have a regular reflection. Another type, guys, is diffuse. When, guys, I have a wall as a surface. Because, guys, I have a rough wall. To know more, guys, the difference between regular reflection and diffuse reflection, go to page 645, figure 2. I have here, guys, regular and diffuse. A regular reflection, guys, occurs when light beams are reflected at the same angle. Here the normal, guys, theta 1 equals theta 2. So, guys, I have a regular reflection. But in diffuse, guys, occurs when light beams reflect at many different angles. Angle 1, 2, 3, 4, and so on. Here, guys, like wall, this surface like wall, rough surface. And here, guys, like mirror, smooth surface. Easy question here, guys. If I ask you about the source of reflection, the source of light is sun, flames, light bulbs. Flames type. Here, guys, the object that produce visible light is called luminous. Like what, guys? Like this, guys, the source of light is called luminous. طيب the mirror guys is called what? I know this is called luminous. طيب this guys, this surface, this mirror is called illuminated. The second type here guys for interaction is absorption and scattering. What the meaning of absorption? The transfer of light energy to a particles of matter. How guys? Here guys I have an incident beam with a huge energy. This beam will go toward a surface. Here guys it's clear to observe that the incident beam is larger than or has more brightness than reflected beam. So guys, the question here is, where is the waste energy going? Here guys, the energy go through the surface like this guys in particles will go through the surface, and because a small amount of energy of incident beam is absorbed inside the surface, the remaining energy from incident beam will let the reflected beam go out the surface by a lower energy. So guys, here the amount of energy of incident beam not equal the amount of energy of reflected beam, because a small amount of energy will go through the surface by absorption of a surface with incident beam energy. So guys, again, absorption by definition is the transfer of energy to particles of a matter of the surface. Second guys, scattering. What the meaning of scattering is interaction of light with a matter or a surface that causes light to what? To change its energy, direction, or both. For example guys, here guys in figure 4 page 646. In this figure guys, I can see a flashlight of a ship. This flashlight guys becomes dimmer because of scattering. Scattered between what and what guys? Between light and particles of air. Let this light becomes dimmer. So guys, number 3 is refraction. Refraction guys, by definition guys, is the bending of wave as the wave passes between two substances or two surfaces in which the speed of wave differs guys. The speed of waves differs. How guys? For example, if I have prism like here guys in figure 5, if I have prism, if light passes into a material or a prism where the speed of light is slower, the light bends away from the boundary between the materials. By more details guys with me. Here guys I have incident beam. This incident beam will go through this surface substance. If I have guys incident beam in air, this incident beam will go through a substance, for example for glass. I know guys the speed of light in air equal 300 1000 kilometer per second. I know this. Here guys, the speed of light in air more than or greater than the speed of light in glass. So guys, in reflection, the speed of beam in first substance guys differs from the speed of air in a second substance, from air to glass, from glass to air, and so on. So here guys, again I have here guys light in or incident. This guys is prism. This light will refract through a prism and get out of from it. The speed of light here guys in air is more than the speed of light inside a prism. Here guys, note that light guys is divided into 7 colors, like guys figure 7. Look at figure 7 guys, in 7 colors guys: violet light has short wavelengths, and red light has longest wavelength. Here guys in page 648 figure 6, this figure guys tells us the refraction interaction guys. Let the light wave move in straight line or in different lines or different directions. Of course guys, in different directions. Here guys, as you see, for example guys, the cat brain. Imagine that the fish position here guys, the fish position here guys, not here, because it imagines that the light moves in a straight line. As similar guys to the fish and the cat. The fish sees the cat in this position guys, not here. Sees the cat in this position because it seems that the light moves in a straight line. But in fact guys, the light is refracted from one substance to another by directions. Who complete guys? By what? Same direction or different directions? Excellent. Different direction. Now guys, the time of highlighter. With me guys, go to the first page. Here guys, right here US. Here guys, VI. Here guys, US. Here guys, VI. Here guys, please highlight it. And here guys, write US. and here guys write US figure 3 reading, figure 3 reading. Don't forget guys, definition here. Here guys, please highlight it, these definitions, and right here US. Just from here guys, take a definition and figure 4, yeah, right, US. US here in figure 4. Next page, all page guys, right, VI. Here guys, figure 6, right, US. First paragraph guys, US. First paragraph, US, and second, US. Figure 7, reading. And the other parts guys will take inshallah next period. Just go to section review, page 651 with me guys. Solve number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 at here guys.